Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today we are going to the
thrift store
and we're gonna do the $20 thrift challenge. My sister,
Noelle.
Introduce yourself and plug your channel.
youtube.com/Noelle Calara.
Yeah, it's freezing outside. Here's yours. This is my concept for Noelle's outfit that I'm trying to put up. So this is my things. So far, I have everything that I need. I think I am done for today, so we're gonna look for our sister. And I think I've gotten everything I needed. The damage has been done. We just finished thrifting. My total was 27 or 13, so yeah, this includes everything. So technically I did not go over the budget. This was including my purchases, so yeah. So we're back here at home and we have like everything down here. Also, we had rules in this challenge. Here are the rules. First one,
We have to buy something $20 or less, and our minimum purchase is $10.
I think I got her about like $13 in total, so I think it's a pretty good amount.
It's like an in-between.
The next one is a very random rule, and it's like it's supposed to be suitable for the current weather. Right now it's like 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So technically it doesn't really suit the weather, but like you can still wear it for like the 40s and 50s.
You can still wear it as long as you layer your clothes.
Yeah, if you layer, I think it's gonna be fine. And also, we were assisted by our sister, so thank you, Atike, and also to our mom for driving us there to the thrift store.
I found mom and then I just asked her to assist me, so thanks mom.
That's pretty much the rules, and now I'm going to show you guys what I got for myself and also for her. By the way, today is Martin Luther King Day, so there was like a 50% off sale on the entire store, and I saved $27.05. It's a big steal, and I got a ton of stuff. So the first thing, I got these 3 record players. I'm planning to paint over them. Paint over the vinyls, because I saw this one picture where somebody painted over them and I was really interested in them, so yeah. Those were like $1.70, but because of the 50% off, it was like half off. The next thing that I got was this tennis skirt that I have right here. This was on the kids section, and surprisingly it fit me, and I got it in the size medium. It's from American Apparel. Hello. It's from American Apparel, and it was originally $6, but because of the half price thing, it's $3, so saved some money. And then I also got these cute gym sweatpants for $4, so they just look like these. And then I also got this Princeton shirt for $1.50. Moving on to the last thing I got for myself, I got these cute mom jeans, I guess. Like I got this for $3 also, and they fit really nice. So yeah. So now it's time to reveal what I got for her. So this is gonna be really exciting. First thing that I got, I don't know if you'll like it, but I like it a lot. It's this Jets. No, look. It's the Jets windbreaker I got at the boys section.
That's cool. I don't even like football, but
Me neither, bro. But it looks really cool. I love the colors of it. And I think it will fit you because I tried it on and it fit me. It was $6.50. And yeah, it's really nice. Pretty good quality for the boys section. And then the next thing is this.
Pants.
Yeah, the jeans. I
Yeah,
hope they fit you.
They're stretchy.
I also got this from the boys section. And then the last thing I got for her was this shirt.
What is it? Hopeless Romantic. That's nice. I don't think it's gonna match the jeans because they're both blue.
I didn't really think about it, so
I did.
yeah. My total for her was $13, and I actually have some concept photos that I showed, I think.
You didn't show me.
Here, I'll show you. So this is my concept photos. This was what I was planning to get, like the plaid pants, but I couldn't seem to find any. And then I was looking for like graphic shirts, but I couldn't find any either. Hopefully you get something out of this and you like them.
Score out of 10, 7.5 or 8. 7.5 to 8.
Okay, that's a pretty good score, guys. So that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, thank you, Noelle, for being here in my channel. It means a lot. You should plug in your channel.
Subscribe to Noelle Calara on YouTube.
So she has a YouTube channel and she makes
Art, fashion, and a little bit of lifestyle and vlogs. And make sure to go to my channel so you guys can see what I got for her.
Yeah, I think she got me a bunch of nice stuff. I haven't really seen them yet because I'm filming first. But yeah, if you like that stuff, go subscribe to her. But if you also like this video, go subscribe to me also. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Go thrifting, support sustainable fashion. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. And I hope we all keep
growing.
Bye!
Bye! Bye!
Subscribe!
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life, fall in love 삶은 사람의 상처받고